Steenkamp was remembered by his colleagues at the Labour Court in Braamfontein. Fellow judges and legal practitioners say that the South African Labour Court has lost a valuable servant of the law. Judge Steenkamp died last week after sustaining a venomous snake bite.
Bidding farewell to one of their own, a valued colleague, friend, and a devoted husband and father.
We are called upon to resolve disputes that we would otherwise not be called upon to resolve. And Anton's passing is a great loss when looked at in that context.
These are just some of the words used to describe the late Judge Anton Steenkamp. Lawyers, attorneys and judges gathered to pay tribute to the man who they say provided guidance to young candidates aspiring to follow in his footsteps.
And there's one thing that he said to me. He said, you must find the passion in law in you. Find it, pursue it, and be the best lawyer that you can be. Make a difference so that wherever you go, people, when they remember of you, they smile. And he had a smile on his face.
Judge Steenkamp was a former journalist appointed as a Labour Court judge in 2010.
A number of Judge Steenkamp's judgments have had far-reaching impact in terms of the relationship between parties in strikes, in terms of the relationships between parties in unfair dismissal disputes, in terms of the relationships between parties in discrimination claims. These are judgments that have been handed down at the Labour Court and that have then been upheld at the Labour Appeal Court level, and thus have created the precedent for the law that we have at the moment and for the regulation of labour law in the country.
What we can say confidently as the Black Lawyers Association and members of the profession is that such judges are needed more than ever before in the new constitutional dispensation. He represented a post-transformed legal mind that will be missed and is needed.
In accordance to his wishes, Judge Steenkamp was cremated in Lusaka last week, Thursday. His ashes will be brought home by his wife. Nosipho Mncube, SABC News, Johannesburg.